Guys, good afternoon Singapore time. This is the entrance of Chinese garden. And hot weather. Hot weather. Hoy, magilo naman kayo dyan sa vlogs ko. Hello, hello. YouTube tayo, YouTube. This is the entrance of Chinese garden, and maybe I just give you a quick view. It's a newly opened 2 weeks ago. And look at that crowd, oh my gosh. This is the entrance of Chinese garden. So, look at this Chinese garden. And this is it.
Ano yun? Kanino yun?
Hi, YouTube ito guys. Hello. Please subscribe. I'm J's Mix Vlogs. Oh, thank you everyone. Please watch, and this is the entrance. Hello, this is all my friends. Friends. Hello. Hi. Okay. Your umbrella. Okay. Oh hi. Oh hi. All everyone. Okay. 4 minutes lang to Quick lang I just give you a quick view in the entrance. This is the Chinese garden, Singapore. Day. Hello. Naman ako. Dire-diretso tayo doon. Tara na. Video wag mong stop Tara na. Guys. Hello. I'm here. Come, let's go.
Naka-on to?
Oo.
On mo lang.
Naka-on lang yan. Okay. Oh, hi. Sige, thank you so much. It has a coffee shop here also. Coffee shop. And ano yan? Trump hindi. Basurero pala. That is the toilet over there. The washroom. Washroom. Yes. And oh my God, it's very hot weather in Singapore. And look at this. Guys. Oh, see? Okay, that's all for today. So everyone, if you want to come to Chinese garden, it's now open. Open already. And opposite is the Japanese garden. So over there is still, this is still the Chinese garden, Pagoda Plaza. Okay. Oh, ikaw naman continuous kuhanan mo naman kami. Hindi ako nakukuhanan dyan. Huwag mong i-off yan. Dire-diretso dito kami. Oh, ayan, kuhanan mo kami.
Wait, ano ko lang ito na.
Chinese garden ito. Nasaan yung Japanese?
Doon daw opposite sa kabila. Ayun yung Japanese. Hello. Hello.
Hi!
Hi. Very hot. And it's very hot. Oh, all have umbrella.
Weather is very nice.
Akala ko gusto nyo akala ko prepare nyo yung so hot. Sista, akala ko prepare mo yung so hot.
So hot. Now I need cool. I need to cool down myself now.
Oh, akala ko sabi ni Ate Jen, follow the Sige, inom na muna kayo para cool.
Still lots of people coming. Okay guys, thanks for now. Hello po. Okay. Ayan, may hangin. Oh, thank you. Okay. Quick pic. Quick view. Thank you, everyone. Bye now.